Okay, so the country we picked for our project is Taiwan. So here's Taiwan. Let me just enlarge that so everyone can see it clearly. That's Taiwan. And we're going to be talking about the PPF. So here's the PPF, Production Possibility Frontier. And I'm going to draw my y-axis and my x-axis. And on my y-axis, the product or the food I'm creating is stinky tofu. As you know, stinky tofu is amazing and it's from Taiwan. And we're going to measure that in kg. So let me just put that here, put it on the side. Here we go. Okay, that's good. And on my x-axis, I'm going to be producing U-bike. If you don't know what U-bike is a type of bicycle in Taiwan. You can check it out with your transportation card. And we're going to measure that in numbers of U-bike. So numbers of U-bike. Okay, here we go. So numbers of U-bike. Let me just put that down just a bit. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so let me just quickly label the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay, and next we're gonna draw our PPF curve. So our maximum, let's say 22 kilograms of tofu, and for our x-axis, let's say 11 numbers of U-bike. So here's my PPF curve. And let's label our 4 dots. So the first one I'm going to pick is 18 kilograms of tofu with 7 numbers of bike. Okay, so let me just point a dot here and label it dot number 1. Okay. In our next dot, let's say we are creating 4 kilograms of tofu and 11 U-bike at the same time. And our third dot is inside the PPF curve, and our fourth dot is outside the PPF curve. Okay, so next, let me just briefly explain the 4 dot. Okay, so dot 1, as you can see here, it's producing 18 kilograms of stinky tofu and then it can still produce 7 U-bikes at the same time. And number 2.2, it's creating 4 kilograms of tofu and producing 11 bikes at the same time. And in order to get from point 1 to point 2, you have to decrease the amount of tofu production to increase the number of U-bikes. So as you can see, 18 minus 4 equals 14. In order to achieve 11 bikes, you have to reduce the production of tofu by 14 kilograms in order to gain 4 more bikes. And number 3, the dot is inside the PPF curve, which is meaning it's not efficient. The workers are not working as hard as they should be. The machines are not working, or etc. And number 4, it's outside the maximum curve and it's beyond possibility at the moment. But to increase the PPF curve, which is the quality of quantity, you need to increase the FOP, the factors of production, including land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. For land, you might need bigger land, more fertile maybe. And for labor, you need better education, maybe change the policy of immigration to allow more worker the quantity and to increase birth rate. For capital, you might need better research and development to create better machines, develop further better technology. And for entrepreneurship, you need people with more education and people with experience, and then create new methods and new ways of maximizing the PPF curve.